little friends what sings the funny song with ducks.
Quack, quack, tap, tap. Mix and stir, flip and flap.
Flour flies, sugar spills. Cooking time brings lots of thrills. Two funny ducks, big and small, rush to the kitchen, ready to call.
Let's bake a cake, let's make some stew.
With pots and pans, they knew just what to do. The tall duck grabbed their flour sack. The short one tried but fell on its back.
Loud and fly, oh what a sight.
Their feathers turned all fluffy white.
Quack, quack, tap, tap.
Mix and stir, flip and flap. The short duck spilled the sugar jar. The tall duck laughed.
Now that's bizarre.
They grabbed a spoon and stirred so fast, round and round until at last a little taste, a happy cheer.
Oops, too salty, oh dear, oh dear.
They giggled and danced, made such a mess. Flour and sugar on their dress.
Quack, quack, tap, tap.
Mix and stir, flip and flap. He cleaned it up. They mopped the floor, then tiptoed out the kitchen door. Their work was done, their tummies were tight. Two happy ducks waddled out of sight.
Quack, quack, tap, tap.
Funny ducks with a chef's cap, cooking fun from start to end.
Messy times with a ducky friend.
See you soon, bye.